Most baby sleep challenges occur because babies have formed a certain sleep association. This can be an association to being rocked, being fed, or even being bounced to sleep. And what happens is that they can't connect their own sleep cycles because they want that same association to be replicated throughout. And that means that the parents have a night with multiple wakes where they need to come in and either bounce, rock, or feed the baby to sleep. A healthy sleep association that you can introduce to your baby is a lovey, which in essence is a soft toy. When you introduce a lovey, a baby might not create an association immediately and even reject it at times, but keep at it and place the lovey in their cot or their sleeping space so that they grow accustomed to it over time. When introducing a lovey, make sure that it is soft and lightweight, that it does not have any hard surfaces such as pieces of plastic that can come off. Your baby might take the lovey, stroke it, or rub it on their faces as a method of self-soothing. When your baby does form an association with the lovey, make sure that you maintain 2 loveys of the same kind, because in case you misplace one, you will surely need the other one as a backup.